Welcome back. We're going to be learning about the printf function. F, I believe, stands for format, so print format. If we want to have nice formatted, clean output, there's a couple different ways, a couple different things we can do with this function. So, very first thing we're going to look at, we have a variable. I just name Eric, and we print. We call the function, pass it a string value, and then this %s. The %s means we're going to be printing a string, and then we close the string inside printf and give it a second argument of name. That's our variable we're passing. Our second argument to the function is name. So what this is going to do, it'll actually print it out and run it. It'll print out name Eric right there. So it takes that and sticks it in there. So it's an easy way to, if we have a lot of stuff and we want to have a nice clean output, we can format our output. We can also print integer values and other stuff like floats and whatever. %d is used for printing an integer value. And if we want to, we can actually format the output of the D to show the number of decimal places or number of spaces. I'll show you that right here. So if we wanted to have like nice clean output, and we were going down from like 300 to 1, and we didn't want to have our numbers come in goofy, we wanted them to stay aligned cleanly. This will make sense once I run it. Like, let me actually show you first what I did here. Let me actually take this out to show you, right? So if we run printf with the %d just as it is, you'll notice here we have the 10 and the 5, and they're both basically left justified, right, to the start of where that variable is. If we want to, we can tell it that's going to be 2 digits wide, that decimal, that numeric print thing, and it'll keep our column. It'll give us like a column that's justified to 2 digits. So it's a kind of a cool thing. I hope that makes sense the way I explained that. It's a nice, cool little thing. So for the exercise for this one, there's a two-part exercise. I got the camera thingy in the way. Write a program to print a string name that's enclosed in single quotes. Write a program to print a string name, whatever your name is or whatever, that is enclosed in single quotes. So you should be able to figure that one out. That's pretty easy. And then exercise 2, this is the second exercise. Give the temperature. We're going to take our temperature conversion program and modify it to give it a header line and formatted output, so that our output should, like, instead of being like left justified, we should have like a column, and it should line up nicely. So that would be, I guess, %3d, right? Since we did 300, since we did 0 to 300 or 300 to 0, depending on which way. So good stuff. All right, this is we're learning cool stuff. So, all right, I will see you guys on the next one.